How are you?
Fine, sir.
My name is Investor Sabinos. I stay close.
Okay.
So, bros, I don't know. Little issues. You know, women matter. You have to please them. You get one girl. Today, na the first day me and her meet. She said that this place where she like. Right now, I'm trying to plan my life. I'm trying to have a focus. 2023. Know what to pursue. Only 5,000 in my hands. What? So I won't work with you. As me and her come, don't give us anything way past 5,000. Please, God name, beg you.
I don't need to do like that, yeah.
Beg now. Just do this thing for me.
But I go help you, sha. You know, say this life, no man, no man. But you go find me something, no. Nothing goes for nothing.
Inside the 5,000.
Even if they're 500.
Okay, that means you don't give me something past 4-5.
I know what I like.
A man for man, no.
My God.
Let's go.
Oga Sabinos, Oga Sabinos, Itu Sabio, Oga Sabinos.
You like this place, right?
Yes, I do.
Wow. This was the place you asked of.
It's so beautiful.
You're supposed to know what thing you love now. Now what you ask of now, where I carry you come. Because I know what you want. So now you should know what me I want. You give it to me.
Yes, I know you want. Don't worry.
You dey use your position to play. Do for me.
I do for you.
2023.
Shut down.
Like doing lunatic
Come here.
Investor, sir.
He called me investor. He knows me.
Wow.
He knows my vibes. How are you?
Fine, sir.
How's work? Nice. Do the normal. He knows what you want.
Okay.
The one thing about this place, they know your taste.
You want to please others, you please yourself.
Yes.
Babe, 5 bottles of water.
Yes. To subsidize. Before you eat, you need to wash out things. Don't collect water, not be say. Don't fire. It's sweet, right?
So many bottles of water.
Hey, Mr. Right, what was that nonsense you were doing back there yesterday? After a customer left, you have the cost to take their drink. You think we didn't see with the CCTV? See, young man, let me tell you, you are fired. Hey! You are fired. We don't tolerate any level of incompetence in this company.
Okay, no, don't do that kind of thing now. This guy, na person me I love. That's the reason why I come here. We work hand in hand.
Sir, it's not a matter of love. It's a matter of the company's prestige. This young man cannot serve.
Let me leave first.
Sir, don't worry. Festus, sir. Please come. Don't worry.
Hello, bros.
Festus will take over from you.
Better, please. It's even better because I don't understand what the other guy has been doing. Babe, it's better, please.
You will do better. Yeah.
Okay, please. I want fried rice, jollof rice, white rice. I don't know. Do you have fish?
Yeah, we do.
Okay, I want fish. I want chicken. I want turkey, and I want this drink. Moet. Yes.
Yeah,
yeah.
only you.
Yeah, the drink is very nice. That's my favorite.
Okay, I take notes and then get this thing.
Calm down now. I can finish it. Besides, my friend is on her way. Yeah, she will soon be here. Oh, she's already here. I missed you. Have a seat. I've already placed the order. So, babe, meet my friend Oma. Oma, meet the guy I've been telling you about. Wow. Hi. Looks like he has money. Of course he does.
Who tell you?
I already placed your order, but you can order more.
Waiter! Okay, please, can I have vegetable soup? Or no, I don't think I can take the soup here. I think I'll take it away.
Take away!
Yes. So I'll just have white rice here. With, do you have chicken Caesar salad?
Yes, we do.
You do? Okay, you have turkey. Should I take turkey or chicken?
Turkey, yeah, turkey.
I'll have turkey, and then the white rice, and then the chicken Caesar salad is fine. Then for the vegetable soup, please, crocodile.
Jesus!
And with 5 wraps of fufu.
Hey! How you take us on that? Today when the employee see what you want to your fellow man.
No, you do.
We have what?
Young man, you're spitting on me. They call me spit.
What did man do, man? You.
Man know thyself.
You.
Waiter, please, for my mocktail, Chapman will be fine. Please, with lots of eyes. Thank you.
How you doing now?
Wow. Cheers.
You love this.
Hello, sir. Hope you're enjoying yourself.
Enjoy waiting. Okay, this place is hot.
Festus,
This place is hot.
please bring 2 fan and more eyes. Say here is hot.
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish.
Is he okay?
You better leave me alone.
It's really hot. Babe, drink water now.
Please, you have not.
Baba, you know if your press again, we not join court. So you didn't whine me. Baba, see, this don't be before. My brother don't do. Me and my brother we not join court. So you didn't. Baba, we not fear you. I'm not fear you. Not be before. Baba, no, if you not join court, who goes on? Ask who goes on. My brother say me ask who goes you. My brother say who goes you. You get up? Who calls me? I'm rugged OJ from OOO unit. 0 defeat, 1,000 wins. See, for this season, you don't come make noise. If I'm in talk finish. If you talk, man, go pursue you. What did they stop? Eh? You, who calls you? Me or him? He say, now you. Yeah! Who calls me? Jesus! I never let that pass. Where's my copy put me for court? Jesus! You just wait. Wait, too. Alpha, Jason. I mean, the guy for court today. Us. The guy said for court today. Alpha, who goes me? Who goes us? Person they ask me for yes, who goes me? So ask me guy.
How many times have I told you to respect yourself?
Person we put me for court. We put me and my brother for court. So we put us for court. Me call and make ask and say who goes us. In the court call, but you give me your number so that when you tell me who goes us, we'll call you. We'll tell you. I promise. We'll surely call you. Can everybody smile safe? I know they smile. But I swear we'll go call you. We'll call you. If you don't tell us, we'll call you. Say, see what you talk. See who goes us. So I know they smile. So me and my brother. Yeah. You don't leave me. Mo kasam.
When I was a child, I was a kid. What about you? What were you? I had to walk on my legs to go to places. I had to hold stuff with my hands to hold them. When I closed my eyes, I saw the darkness, and when I opened my eyes, I saw the light. I thought I was going to die when I saw the light, but no. I was waking up and somebody had a flashlight on my eyes. It was hard, man. It was not easy, but if I can make it, so can you.
What's up, babe?
No. Who will spank my ass like that?
What is wrong if I spank your ass like that?
Don't you know it's painful?
Painful?
Yes. Flo. Won't you say sorry? Tell me sorry, Joe. I'm crying.
Okay, sorry in Jesus' name. I'm so sorry from the best part of my heart. I will not spank your nyash again. I will not spank your buttocks again. You don't like it? Alright, it's fine.
Cause if I can be close to you, I'll settle for the ghost of you. I miss you more than life. And if you can be next to me, your memories are ecstasy.
Flo, don't talk to me. What's happening?
Inside, I'm in chains. You're in chains too. I wear uniforms and you wear uniforms too. I'm a prisoner. You're a prisoner too.
I said it.
Said what?
Flo, I said you are cheating on me. You are cheating on me.
How? That's an accusation. Yeah, I'm not cheating. I'm not.
You passed with no moments.
I don't understand. I passed. I did not spank your ass. But you warned me not to. Come on.
Baby, I was not feeling fine the other time.
You're not feeling fine a few hours ago.
Yes.
You're not serious.
No.
Okay, fine. What do you really want? Excuse me, darling.
No.
Okay, turn for me.
No.
Can I go now?
Baby, back me.
Enter.
Enter.
You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to.
What's in this?
Babe, don't dare look at her. Don't look at her. If you look at her, just know that it's over between me and you.
I'm trying.
Don't look at her. I know you can do this. Do this. If you look at her, just know that it's over between me and you.
Jesus.
You can do this.
I'm trying.
You can do
Lord of
this. Babe,
Jesus.
you can do this. You can do this. Okay, you can do this, babe. You can do this. Now look back.
I'm not feeling the way I'm supposed to feel, but I'm okay.
Now, did you die?
No. I'm so much alive.
You see, did he die?
Jesus.
Did he die?
Impossible. I talk him. How we no go die?
The wine is very easy.
What have you done?
Yeah, she's live.
Baby! Oh, you scared me. Baby, let's make love. No, I'm thinking about what we eat tomorrow. No, babe, I'm horny. You are horny? Yeah. No, I'm thinking about what we'll eat tomorrow. Oh, baby. Go. Babe, let's... Baby. Go, please. Babe, chase me. Chase me, baby. What are you doing? What are you doing to? Baby. Baby, stop. Baby, I love you, but you're disturbing me. I'm just saying that I'm not so compliant. Baby, you make me that one. She can't have your battle.
I need to use the toilet. I'll be right back.
All right. Oh, you're back.
Yeah, I'm back.
This food is too sweet, oh.
You like it? You enjoying it?
Let's
It's
try.
tasty.
It's nice.
Oh, thank you. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal. Oh, you finished the food so quick.
This food is too
You
sweet.
enjoyed it.
I enjoyed it.
Oh wow. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Like your tummy is not paining you?
No.
Oh, I'm just asking. Yes. I told you, Maggie Fe. You are here to see something. Jesus.
You don't know me.
Chimo.
I'm Ekbo, masquerade. Odeshi. You
Chimo.
can't kill what's already dead.
Oh, give me Bogon.
So you want to poison me?
No,
I will
no.
deal with you today.
No, let me explain.
Iyala.
No.
Yes, come in. Hey, I wish you are for. I'm what to say. Hey, me bra. Me who you now swear. You say I'm not the one. Hey, Abrantier. Me who you now swear. You say I'm not the one. So who? Uncle, I'm good. What about you? Hey, uncle. Uncle, we are fine. What about you, uncle? Oh, look so many. Oh, and you did a
Who be that?
One name na your landlord. Where my rent?
Limau.
Ah! Est-ce que les bébés, si on les bébés?
Next. Get your perfect wife material here. Mention the name. Sonia. Next! Now, mention a female name. Jessica.
Oh my God! Wow!
Next! Now, mention a female name.
Deborah. I like it big. Deborah.
Rono. You think so? They're wise? Oh shit!
My sister, please, what is happening here?
They can't knock 5 or 14.
My sister, what an immoral act. Do you know that your body is the temple of God? And you are here to knock for iPhone 14 Pro Max. Hey, I am going to preach to them. I am going to talk to them for them to change this immoral act. Man, Tibarada, sister.
Hey, wait, see, don't go. Don't wait, wait, come back.
I have preached to them right now. They are inside, they are weeping. You know the word of God is sharper than his sword. They are inside, they cry. I told you, Sister Ruth, let's go.
Man of God. Your phone, oh.
Brother Redeemer, them knock you. Brother Redeemer, don't take the phone.
Sister Ruth, a man must enjoy the fruit of his labor. Mr. Man, bring my phone.